Well, hi friends, and welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Margaux J. Rathbun. I'm certified as a nutritional therapy practitioner, and 10 years ago, I founded my nutrition website, AuthenticSelfWellness.com. Now, each week I share different videos on a variety of health and wellness topics, including recipe demonstrations, which I am going to do today. We do some product reviews. We are going to start featuring interviews with industry experts, and very soon we're going to be doing some fun giveaways to celebrate my 10-year anniversary. So if all this sounds interesting to you, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now today, we're going to be talking about something that we haven't focused on in quite a while. Now a few years ago, I want to say roughly 2013, chia seeds were one of the most popular things in the health and wellness industry. Do you remember that? We did a lot of videos on it. It seemed like everywhere you went, you were just bombarded with the benefits of these little seeds, what they were, and where you could get them. In fact, chia seeds have become so popular that you can now order them in large quantities for a really affordable price, versus back in the day when I feel like they were a little bit more expensive. So that's the good news. Okay, so what exactly are chia seeds? Where do they come from? Well, chia seeds have been around for thousands and thousands of years. In fact, chia seeds, they were first used by the Aztecs all the way back in 3500 BC. Chia was used as a food source for them, and it was often mixed with other foods and liquids like water to be drunk as a beverage. It was also ground into a flour used as medicines and even pressed for its oil. Now, chia flour can actually be stored for many, many years, which is what made it easy for the Aztecs to carry around with them on long trips. Traditionally, chia is grown in places like Mexico, Peru, and Argentina. But nowadays, the bulk of chia seeds are grown and harvested in Australia. Now, fortunately, like I said, chia seeds have become very relevant and popular. So you can go basically anywhere to pick up chia oil, chia seeds, and even chia flour. If you haven't tried chia, I'll go ahead and I'll link some of my favorite chia products down in the description box below. You can easily find them on Amazon, and then of course, you can have them shipped to you directly within a couple of days. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the benefits of adding chia seeds to our diet. Well, first of all, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants. And as you probably know, antioxidants help to keep our immune system strong, and they fight off any damaging free radicals that may be prevalent in our bodies. They're also packed with fiber, which makes them an awesome food for promoting good digestion. In fact, it's been noted that chia seeds are 40% fiber by weight, which makes them one of the best sources of fiber in the world. Now, because of its high soluble fiber content, chia seeds can actually absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water, which is why they become gel-like and expand in your stomach. And I'll show you what that looks like here when we make our recipe. Now, when this happens, theoretically, it should help you feel full, which will allow you to not overeat. Now, in addition to fiber, chia seeds are a great vegan source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds actually contain more omega-3s than salmon. So, if you're looking to focus on having a more plant-based diet, I highly recommend that you eat chia seeds to ensure that you're getting all these beneficial fats, proteins, and the other nutrients. Chia seeds also contain a good amount of calcium for promoting bone health, and they are full of manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. They also contain zinc, which is pretty beneficial to help speed up the healing of wounds and to help regulate immune function as well. It's fairly easy to incorporate chia seeds into our daily diets. One of the best ways to do this is to add a tablespoon or two to your daily smoothie, which I'll show you here today. You can use chia flour in a variety of recipes and even add the oil to your own homemade salad dressings. You can add the oil to smoothies as well. It's totally up to you. So today, I want to show you some really tasty and fun ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. So the first recipe that I want to share with you is pretty basic, and chances are you've probably seen this floating around online more than once. But I want to show you how easy and nourishing it is to start incorporating chia pudding into your diet. Now, if you're a busy professional or if you're just a busy person in general, this is a great breakfast to have ready to go first thing in the morning. You can actually make this up the night before in advance. Mix it all up, put it in your fridge, and then when you're out the door, grab it, you're good to go. So, all you're gonna need is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These are the chia seeds from Better Body Foods. I found these on Amazon, and they were very affordable. Like I said, the prices of chia have really come down, and I love that. So you get a lot of value here. And what I also love about this is that it has its own little measuring spoon. So we can do 1, 2 tablespoons. Next, you want to get your favorite liquid. You can use juice. Some people just use water. That's kind of basic to me. I'm just going to use coconut milk here. You can also use almond milk. This is 1/2 cup, and you just pour it in like that. Now, I'm a big fan of citrus, especially during these colder winter months because it's cold and flu season and everybody is coughing and everybody is sick right now. So I'm all about trying to get more vitamin C into our daily diet. So I've gone ahead and I've squeezed about, I would say 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. If you love the flavor of lemon, you can do a little bit more. If you want it to be a little more subtle, do a little bit less. And you just pour it in. So now that we have everything in here, the liquid and the chia, we're just gonna mix it up. It's gonna be pretty watery, but don't worry because the chia seeds are going to absorb that liquid and become a nice thick pudding. Now some chia seeds will stick to the side of the bowl. That's okay. You can just kind of go around and get them into the liquid with your spoon. And last but not least, we are going to add our favorite fruit toppings. Although it's not really a topping, it's going to be mixed in because this hasn't solidified yet. I am using, these are organic mango slices, little pieces that I had frozen. If you don't like mango, that's totally fine. You could use berries. I think blueberries would be delicious with this, raspberries if they're in season. So it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to add, I would say about 1/2 cup of these mango bite-sized pieces to the mix. And then again, just give it a good stir. So we've gone ahead and blended everything up. All you want to do is put this into your refrigerator. You can leave it in there overnight, and like I said, take it with you first thing in the morning. Just get like a little glass container with a lid, and you could take it with you to work, to school, wherever you're going. Or if you don't want to wait that long, just leave it in the fridge for, I would say, 2 hours or so, and then you have yourself a healthy little snack. So now I want to show you another super easy way to get chia seeds into your daily diet. If you love to make smoothies, you're going to like this one. So to start out with, we are going to need 1 cup of coconut milk, almond milk, whatever suits your fancy. Then we are going to cut up 1 organic apple, like I've done here. I like to cut it up into bite-sized pieces because it just makes it blend a little bit easier and a little bit faster. This is about, I would say, 1/2 cup, I don't know, yeah, 1/2 cup of walnuts. Very good, lots of nutrients in those. This is 1 tablespoon of organic cacao powder. You can, of course, find this online. Amazon's probably got a bunch. Whole Foods. Really, I would say any supermarket these days has cacao powder. So delicious. I have my favorite type of sunflower seed butter here. I love this brand. This is, once again, you can get this at, I would say probably a natural health food store would be your best bet. Although some more of the conventional stores have been carrying this brand. I've noticed that as well. So let's go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sunflower seed butter to the mix. I'm also going to add a little spoonful of raw honey just to sweeten it up a bit. If you are vegan and you don't want to include honey in your diet, or in this recipe, that's totally fine. You could probably use maple syrup and get the same kind of effect, that same kind of sweetness. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and add our chia. Again, I love that there's a little measuring spoon in here. Let's just do 1.5. How about that? Okay, let's blend this all up and see how it tastes. Okay, so that's looking pretty good, if I may say so myself. I always have a hard time getting this lid off. So I've got my little glass here. I'm just gonna have a little bit of this smoothie. I might actually be nice and share the rest with my husband because he's home today. All right, and there you have a very tasty, very unique, very creative, and very easy smoothie recipe full of chia. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you found it fun and informative. If you are interested in trying out chia seeds, I highly recommend this brand. This is the Better Body Foods. They are all organic. I'll go ahead and I'll link to these in the description down below, the Amazon link, so you can get them to your house pretty quickly. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for 10 years of authentic self-wellness. I couldn't have made it here without you. As a way to say thank you, I will be doing some fun giveaways coming up here very, very soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss those videos. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a happy and a healthy day.